to discuss about division of integers. When we divide two integers, we divide them as whole numbers and we write the quotient as result, and then we put the sign of the result depending upon the integers we taken. Either they may be two positives or two negatives, either they may be one positive and one negative, or one negative and one positive. Depending upon that integers, we put the sign of the result. First, we divide the given two integers as whole numbers and we write the quotient of those two integers as the result, and then we put the sign of that result depending upon the integers we taken. That is, when we divide a positive integer by a negative integer or a negative integer by a positive integer, we get the result as a negative quotient. That is, when we divide opposite sign integers, the result is a negative one. That is, when we divide a positive number integer a by a negative integer b is equal to a negative integer a divided by a positive integer b is gives the same result, that is a negative quotient. Here the denominator, that is the second integer, should not be equal to 0. And the second case is when we divide two positive integers or two negative integers, we get a positive quotient. That is, when we divide the same sign integer, that is, they may be two positive or they may be two negative integers, then the quotient is always positive. That is written as minus a divided by minus b is equal to a divided by b. That is, they are either negative or they are either positive. In that case, we get the quotient has a positive one. Here also the denominator value, that is b, should not be is equal to 0. These are the rules for the division of integers.